What's up, everybody? Recently had the M3 out on the track about a week ago. Today I want to show you what track day aftermath looks like after 4 sessions. Well, technically, last time I went Saturday and Sunday, so 8 sessions of beating the shit out of this car as best I could out on the track. So I'll walk you around the car and kind of show you what she's looking like. What? Alright, start out at the back. You know, not a whole lot of aftermath to report here. More or less just some of the carbon buildup from the exhaust, you know. See if you can see some detail on there. There's just some buildup of it on the back. Nothing a little car wash and wax won't fix. Coming around to the sides, you can start to see some of the rubber kicking up off, you know, on the fender well as well, on the side skirt. It gets a lot of it underneath too. I don't even know if I want to show you what underneath looks like. It's quite a bit of rubber. More of the same up here, kind of all along the side, along the bottom. Next thing too is I run Carbotech XP10 brake pads on here. See if you can see in there a little bit. So there is just brake dust built up in the cross-drilled section of the rotors. Typically when I pop the tire off, when I get home, when I'm going to swap the brake pads out, I'll get my air compressor and you would be shocked of how much dust will come out of these fucking things. It's amazing. Coming around to the front bumper, I mean, it is just caked with rubber pretty much everywhere. Hood as well. So I don't know, I mean, it's up for debate. A lot of guys tape their car up, so how much time do you spend taping it? And how much time do I spend washing all this stuff off? So track day aftermath on the F80. Coming around to the other side. Get my shadow out of the way there. It's just more or less a lot of rubber. A lot of marbling gets kicked up on this thing. Back fender as well. One thing I will do, you can kind of see some of it in here in this tire. There's a ton of rubber that gets stuck to the wheel because it gets so hot coming off the track on your cool down lap. So a lot of the rubber that's in there. See if I can zoom in on it a little bit. Track day aftermath for the F80. All in a weekend's work to cover this thing with rubber and take a couple days to clean it up and go do it again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.